You know, the previous battery shut itself down. I mean, suddenly. And when it happens, it's possible that the image was not saved. That means, you know, my mending operation of the tripod maybe it wasn't recorded. I don't know. Maybe it was not. Maybe it was. I'm not sure if it was recorded. But the mending operation, the repair is finished. And boy, it's a bummer. These cheap and old, well, two ways. Some of our expensive batteries are so old that they can no longer perform well. And these new batteries we bought cheap, they are not really performing up to their expectations. So I don't know. So I'm done with the repairment, but with the repair. But oh, I hate it. Why? Since yesterday, I've been losing images quite a bit. One cure for that is to make each video very short and to shut down. I mean to end that, you know, those short videos before the battery malfunctions. Maybe I need to do that. Okay. Anyway, so what I did was with a tape, mending tape, you know, I attached the long legs to this main part of the tripod, and also this, the central, whatever you call it, pole, pillar, was coming off. This and this should be joined and connected tightly, and now I'm going for a temporary fix with a mending tape. Okay, what can I say? That's all I'm able to do now. But this is cheap. This is not extremely expensive. It's as far as I know, it costs something like what was it? $15 maybe. $10 to $15. So, you know, we should probably buy a new one. So this repair, which took like over 40 minutes, became a very short video. I'm unhappy about that, but what can I say? Blame it on poverty. And this time I'm not taking a chance, and I'm just going to shut it down.